Hi, my name is Scott Fulford. I'm an economist who studies the difficult choices that families make when money is tight. I work at the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, where I develop the Making Ends Meet surveys. Before that, I taught at Boston College and was a visiting scholar at the Federal Reserve Bank of Boston. March 2020 was a scary time for many people, myself included. A terrifying new virus suddenly seemed to be everywhere. My two kids were home from daycare and school, and my wife and I were trying to juggle childcare and two full-time jobs. It was also terrifying because I knew how unprepared many Americans were for the pandemic economic collapse. 22 million people lost their jobs in March and April 2020, more people than are employed in California. So it was a surprise to me when in June 2020, most Americans were better off financially than they had been a year earlier. I wrote my book, The Pandemic Paradox, to understand this surprise and the individual choices and the policies that made it possible. Throughout the book, I profile Americans' individual journeys. From Sophia, who lost her job in March 2020 and might have lost her house, to Lisa, whose adult kids and their two dogs and cat moved in with her, so her expenses went up, to Marvin, who retired early after he was fired and was suddenly worried his money wouldn't last. Their stories, my story, and your stories are the pieces that add up to the biggest economic event of our lifetime. I connect them to the bigger macroeconomic trends and explain how they help understand the economy today.